Zen Studio, Bedtime Yoga for Deep Relaxation. Today's practice is a 12 minutes relaxing practice. All you need is a yoga mat and yourself. Now let's lay flat down on the yoga mat and slowly bend the right leg in. Interlace the fingers on top of your right shin bone. From here, close your eyes and breathe. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Relax your feet. Soften your shoulders. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, slightly pull the right leg in for a little bit. And the rest is to breathe. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. Observe the mind. Observe the body. Deep breath out. Now interlace the fingers at the back of your hamstring. Slowly straighten the right leg. Keep that nice and easy. You may interlace the finger at your calf muscle or maybe on top of your right foot. That's totally up to your flexibility. Stay at a place that makes you feel good. And come into deep relaxations. Breathing in, breathing out. The body relaxed, the mind relaxed. Keep things slow. Totally be there. One more deep breath in and out. Now bend the right leg again, interlace the fingers on top of your shin bone. And from here, you slowly drop your right knee towards the left side of your body. After you settle your right knee, you turn your upper torso towards the right side and turn your head to the right side as well. A minor twisting for the body. And just leave yourself there to breathe. As you go deeper to the breathing, let's go a little bit more. Inhalation, expand the right side of your body. Exhalation, let it go. Inhalation, expand the body, stretch out the belly. And exhale. You stay with this breathing exercise. Now gently turn yourself back to center. Hug your right shin bone. Extend both legs out. Feel the right side of your body. The right side getting longer. Let's move to the left side. Now gently bend the left leg in. Again, interlace the finger on top of your shin bone. From here, you stay and you breathe. Feel the body getting softer. Feel the mind getting easier. You may be wondering a little bit, but you're always capable to bring yourself back to this neutral, soothing state. Let your breath guide you. You breathe in and you breathe out. You fully immersed here in the practice with your own self. Now slowly interlace the finger at the back of your hamstring and you start to explore a straight leg. You may straighten the leg, or maybe if this is too hard for you, go ahead and microbend it. You can slide your hands all the way through your left leg. Stay your hands at any point that makes you feel good. And when you're ready, soften, stay, and be still. You don't struggle, so you need to find a perfect point to stay and be relieved. Inhalations. Exhale, soften. You start to bend the left leg in. Hold it for a little bit. Now drop the left leg towards the right side outside your body. After you settle your knee, you open the torso. Turn your body towards the left side. Your left shoulder looking on the floor. Your left knee looking for the floor. But the most important thing is your mind looking for quiet space. All you have to do is to breathe. Every exhalation, you soften. The tightness of the body slowly drift away. One more deep breath in and deep breath out. You soften. And now you turn the left leg back, a gentle hug, and release. Extend both legs straighten and feel the body, the left side and the right side. Now let's get into the next exercise to bend the right leg in, and then you grab the outer part of your right foot. So you want your right sole facing up to the ceiling. After you settled, bend the left leg in, press your left foot on the ground. And close your eyes. You start to feel your hips slowly open as you go deeper and deeper. Soften your shoulder. Now soften your face as well, your lips, your eyes. One more deep breath in and deep breath out. Let it go. Now slowly release the right leg. Straighten the right leg. Now bend the left leg in. Pull that closer. Flexing the left foot and you get the outer part of your left foot. Follow with that, you bend the right leg in. You press the right foot on the ground. And feel the difference from the left side of your body and the right side of your body. How do you feel on the left side compared to the right? Deep inhalation, long exhalation. Soften, no expectation. Breathe out the mind. Breathe out the ideas, seeking for the emptiness as you bring yourself back to the neutral you. For the next exhalation, you release the left leg. Extend both legs. You may shake the legs. Or come into the final posture, you bend the leg. And then you turn your knees outward. Bring your soles together, touching each other. Rest your palms in the right place that makes you feel good. And now you stay in this final full relaxing posture. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Notice that you are so ready for a good sleep tonight. And notice that your muscles are getting more and more soft. You don't engage anything at all, including your brain. You don't have to think, because you are deeply relaxed. Now slowly bring your knees together. You may drop your knees left and right to just work on your hip joints, bring them together. To finish up, you hug your knees to your chest. And then you extend the legs and ready to a good night's sleep.